how to receive your store credits on the Iconic. Hello everybody, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, you would learn how you can receive your store credits on the Iconic. Okay, now store credits is added directly into your Iconic account once you redeem a gift voucher or you receive 100% store credits from a return. And then how do you get about it? The first step is to log in into your Iconic account, just like I have done here. And then the next step is to move to the top right side of the screen where you can see your profile icon. Once you see this in the box display, scroll down and select store credits. Okay, so after selecting store credit, you can see the option redeem a gift card, right? Card balance will be credited to your account. So the next step is type in the gift card here, click on redeem, and then just like that, the store credit will be added to your account. Now, you must note that um this store credit is is associated with the same email address that you use to place the order. Okay, so when you are ready to make your next purchase, just simply log into your account, and then the stock credit that you've gotten by redeeming your gift card will be available for use. But you must remember that your stock credit remains active on your account for 12 months only. So after 12 months, if you do not use this stock credit account, this stock credit, it should be expired and then you won't be able to use it anymore. So this is how it works, okay? This is how you can receive your stock credits on the Iconic. Ensure you try this out as soon as you can. Thanks for watching and have a good day.